Using a 1xBet promo code to register offers several attractive benefits for new users. Today, we'll recommend the MANA64 promo code and outline its 3 advantages. First advantage, enhanced welcome. Bonus, the MANA64 promo code allows you to double your first deposit. This means adding additional funds to bet on initially, increasing your initial capital and your chances of winning. Second advantage, Free Monday. Bet. The MANA64 promo code allows you to get a free bet on every deposit made on Monday. Simply choose a match with odds of 1.80 or higher and place the free bet. If you win, the profit is transferred directly to your main account, and you can continue playing normally or make a withdrawal. This allows you to place a bet on Monday without risking your own money. Third benefit, access to exclusive promotions. Promo codes can give you access to exclusive promotions not available to other users. These can include contests, sweepstakes, and other special offers that enhance your gaming experience and your chances of winning. In addition, by using the MANA64 promo code, you can benefit from more favorable betting conditions such as improved odds, reduced wagering requirements, or refunds in the event of a loss. This makes the betting experience more advantageous and less risky. Then, loyalty rewards. The MANA64 promo code is designed to reward user loyalty. By using it, you can accumulate loyalty points or receive long-term benefits, such as additional bonuses, personalized offers, and VIP treatment. In short, using a 1xBet promo code to register can greatly enrich your betting experience by providing you with financial benefits, exclusive opportunities, and improved playing conditions.